Hey there, if you need to fly with only an under-the-seat airplane bag, this video is going to show you 8 packing rules or strategies that will help you pack efficiently. As a pilot's wife, I've learned how to fit real travel essentials into an under-seater. I'm going to also teach you more tips and tricks in this video that you can do too. These underseat strategies for your flight will help you pack less, yet still bring what you actually need. Strategy number 1 is make a travel essentials list. What do you actually have to pack in this one underseater? Know your excursions that you are going to need shoes for, based on the weather especially. What shoes do your feet actually need for those excursions or the weather or while you're going to dinner? Only pack that one pair of shoes. If you can keep it to one pair of shoes, it's going to be so much easier for you to pack in an underseat bag. My travel tip is to wear your heaviest shoes inside the airplane. So if you need waterproof tennis shoes, wear my On Clouds. That is the exact same shoe, but more available for us. Do not forget about what medicine you have to have packed in that bag. What travel hair tools are a must-have for that trip? Strategy number 2 is some of my viewers asked me, is there any way you could show us how you pack in your new bento bag? So Nomad Lane is sponsoring this video. And this is my older bento bag, but when I saw the pink one, I had to have it. And they now have this new like bluish, bright blue, purple type color. It's like 7 colors now. This strategy number 2 is to use an extra large compression cube instead of my regular large set. Because you have 7 in that one set of extra large ones, you can pick and choose what you need for the bag that you're flying with. Even if you do not own a bento bag, these packing rules and strategies will still work every trip for your underseat bag. You can see that I have mixed and matched my outfits based on the number 1 packing rule, which was the list based on all of the what if factors of a vacation. You could also roll or fold in this one side of your bag without using a compression cube. You can see every piece of clothing, and a travel tip could be you can add another layer above these clothes. For this rule, use this bento bag as your carry-on once inside the airplane. It unzips like a suitcase because the zippers go around the edges, notice that feature, but it does have the shoulder strap, which is what I used. My travel tip is wear it as a crossbody if you're going to walk through the airport with it. And it comes with 2 freebies, a liquids bag and a technology bag. I take out both of those bags and just use the pocket itself because they are so deep and squishy and wide. This bento bag is going to be put in the overhead bin, okay? So that means I'm going to have space under the airplane seat in front of me. This is lightweight enough to lift over my head if I have physical limitations into the overhead bin. So I'm going to choose my crossbody bag wisely because it is now my personal item. I usually pack a small crossbody bag, but instead I could pack this one. It looks like a backpack from the front, but it is definitely a purse or a crossbody bag. See this streamlined minimalist pockets inside? Here's what I want you to do when you must pack in only one bag. Look at your features, but pack in a different way. These pockets look like you would pack your computer in there and a tablet, which you can do, but I can easily pack 2 cardigans and a shirt in here, or pack 3 shirts in these laptop pockets. Every part of your packing process before the flight has a strategy to it when you can only pack in one underseater. Strategy number 4 is to pack pajamas and undies and socks inside a small compression cube on the other side of the bento bag. This is where the liquids bag and the tech bag would be. You do not have to use those pockets either. Just smush them flat if you need to, but a smaller compression cube fits. You could use the travel hack of a produce bag from the grocery store, the free ones that you get, to pack your shoes individually. And that way you can pack your shoes individually in the bag so that you're not taking up space to pack them together in a shoe bag. Strategy number 5 is going to be so helpful. I've been saying this for 10 years. This is like my 10th year as a YouTuber with this channel. And that strategy is use a color scheme that allows you to pack multitasker vacation outfit pieces so you can re-wear one item, like hiking pants. I just got some new hiking shorts that have multiple pockets in them. They are water resistant. They come in 3 different lengths, both of them, the pants and the shorts. They can be reworn. Like I wore my hiking shorts in the Azores off of Portugal last week with a fitted like navy blue tee that is an elevated tee, so it doesn't look like a hanging out t-shirt. But I could also wear that fitted tee with a skirt maybe, or with my pants in the airplane. The number 2 benefit of having a color scheme with your travel outfits is layering pieces are much fewer, because you can do what I did. One yellow cardigan can be worn on top of a t-shirt. It can be worn on top of a dress, or it can be worn in the cold airplane. Strategy number 6 for you to think about, okay? What can you swap out? I know it is so difficult. I want to throw a temper tantrum when I have to pack in only one bag. It is so difficult because you're having to think differently. But just think differently with me, okay? What can you remove that you usually travel with? When we went to the Azores, I took the white sneakers and tennis shoes. But if I had to pack, or if I was limited to only an under the seat bag, I would have tossed both of those and only packed my waterproof sneakers. But your excursions are what will dictate what you absolutely have to pack, like we talked about in strategy 1. The 7th strategy is what travel essentials can you purchase when you arrive at your vacation spot so that you do not have to pack them. One tip my viewers tell me every single time I do an international flight or vacation outfit trip is they're like, don't pack your curling iron, just buy one over there so you don't have to worry about a dual voltage and all that. My hair is very specific. I only can use a curling iron barrel that is 3/4 of an inch. I cannot be like, there is no affirmation or confirmation that that size barrel is going to be available in that store or pharmacia that I go into. So I have to have that. There are other things that you're going to pack that you have to have that you cannot purchase over there, and that's okay. But there could be small items that you can wait and purchase when you're there. Just make a list, brainstorm with your spouse, leave your tips if you have that one. Another strategy is to wear your flight essentials. Wear a vest with hidden pockets that you can stow your small crossbody bag inside, your iPad, your in-flight pouch. Essentials could be in one of those pockets. You can also travel with an anti-theft scarf that has a hidden pocket in it. It can be used as a blanket, but it can also, because of the hidden pocket, you can store other valuables and your in-flight essentials in that pocket. My travel tip is in airport security, make sure you take off the vest and lay it in the bin, or take off that scarf and lay it in the bin, since there are things in the pocket. I want you to share your strategies below, and do not miss all of the information in the pinned first comment, as well as the information in the paragraph below this video. You can also tap on the little shopping sticker that pops up while I talk about the bento bag. I want to thank Nomad Lane for sponsoring this video for you. Many of you have asked for this type of video. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.